Ever wondered how AI is transforming businesses? As we move further into the 21st century, the influence of artificial intelligence in the business world is becoming increasingly prominent. From automating tasks to personalizing customer experiences, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. One institution leading the way in this field is the University of Pennsylvania, offering a comprehensive specialization in AI for business through Coursera. This program is meticulously designed to equip learners with AI fundamentals, even if they're non-data scientists. It explores the practical applications of AI in various domains such as marketing, finance, and people management. It also delves deep into AI strategy and governance. What sets this program apart is the caliber of the educators. Taught by 8 esteemed Wharton School professors, this course ensures a high-quality learning experience. And to cap it all off, the course ends with an applied learning project, allowing students to put their newfound knowledge into practice. So, whether you're a non-data scientist or a business professional, this course might just be the perfect fit for you. But what if you're a beginner in the field of AI? There's no need to fret, because Google has you covered with their course, AI for Everyone. This course, available on edX, is geared towards those just dipping their toes into the vast ocean of AI. It offers a comprehensive look into real-world AI applications, making the seemingly complex world of AI relatable and understandable. But it doesn't stop there. This 4-week course also delves into the fundamentals of AI programming and machine learning. It's designed to fit neatly into your schedule, requiring just 2 to 3 hours of your time each week. And who better to guide you through this journey than Lawrence Moroney? He's a seasoned veteran from Google research into machine intelligence, and he's here to share his wealth of knowledge with you. So for those just starting their AI journey, Google's AI for Everyone could be an ideal launchpad. How about diving into the intersection of AI, big data, and ethics? The University of California, Davis offers a fascinating course that delves into this very topic. Part of their computational social science specialization on Coursera, this course provides an in-depth look at big data, the history of AI, and the crucial aspect of research ethics. The course is taught by Martin Hilbert, a highly regarded professor at UC Davis. He brings to the table his extensive knowledge and expertise, guiding the students through the complexities of AI and big data and their ethical implications. This course has seen immense popularity, with over 23,000 participants having completed it. The high participation rate is a testament to the relevance and importance of understanding the ethical considerations in AI and big data. So if you're intrigued by the ethical dimensions of AI and big data, this course is worth exploring. Ready to delve deeper into AI programming or perhaps exploring AI without programming? Let's journey into the world of Harvard University's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. This 7-week course is a follow-up to the popular CS50 Introduction to Computer Science course, placing a spotlight on AI algorithms, game engines, handwriting recognition, and machine translation. It's a fascinating exploration that requires 10 to 30 hours a week of your time, guided by the esteemed David J. Milan. Meanwhile, IBM's AI Foundations for Everyone, a 3-course specialization on Coursera, offers a different approach. Led by Rava Ahuja and Antonio Cangiano from IBM's Skills Network, this course covers AI basics, applications, and ethics. What's more, it presents the unique opportunity to build AI chatbots without any programming required. It's a 3-month journey, requiring just 2 hours a week. Whether you're interested in AI programming or exploring AI applications without programming, these courses offer a wealth of knowledge. The future of business is AI, and the future is now. It's time to dive into these courses, expanding your knowledge and skill set in AI. Remember, each course offers a certificate upon completion. Take your first step into the future and discover the power of AI today.